Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. Yes girl, cocky gal, yeah. I would love for my tags to be cocky gal because I'm using Shades by Gal, and then these are like the colors of the Peacock, but I don't know if it's up there or down there where the title is now. Then I grew some and titled it that. But today I'm using my Shades by Gal. Look at my tripod and everything, and Mallows. Today I'm using my Shades by Gal eyeshadow palette, and let me just show you what this one looks like. I absolutely love these colors. As you can see, they came out amazingly well. I wanted to do a cut crease, but then I don't know, I changed my mind last minute and I did like this wing here. I don't know, but I do not know. But yeah, so these are the colors. And I used this green here, I used this blue here, and I used this blue over here, and then this, yeah, this green right here. I think, yeah, this green right here, and I put it right here. I don't think you saw that, but yeah, to kind of pump up the green some more. Yeah, so that's that. And what else? Oh, lipstick. I don't think, Mama, Gigi. Oh, I'm wearing this lipstick called Gigi, and I don't know if you guys are subscribed to Gigi Gorgeous here on YouTube, but she has over 1 million subscribers. I don't know if you may be one of them, I don't know, but this lipstick is called Gigi.
Hey babe, I got something I want to tell you. Personally, I know how you gonna take this, but I gotta let you know that I gotta let you go.
The pain, it goes so deep when I think of what you did to me, and how I lost a part of me because I loved you. Forgiving you is the last thing on my mind. When they ask me if I'm alright, I smile, but I hate you, and I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. It takes so long for you to know, say you never want me. Although you tell me, some me a wifey, but you're in it. See, they know you're in it. I know me can't stand to see your face. All of the years from my waist, your hands round my waist, the kisses, the embrace, you're in it. See, they know you're in it, in it. I know I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. Yeah. Ooh, I need to be free. Yeah. I need to be free again. To love again.
See, I've been going through a lot of stuff this month, girl, and I've been feeling to break up, girl. I met this girl, she rocks my world.
No.
But I got a little crazy over you and over her, and I didn't know what to do, so I'm ending this.
Don't do this.
I'm sorry, but I'm ending this.
Don't do this to me, Father. I'm tired of the pain again. Another heartbreak again and again and again. And when it all go in, 'cause from me I fall in love, me I get hurt. Them scars, yeah, I mash up my self-worth. All them want is what they under my skirt, and me get hurt. Me need to be
got something I want to tell you. Personally, I know how you won't take this, but I gotta let you know that I gotta let you go.
The pain, it goes so deep when I think of what you did to me and how I lost a part of me because I loved you. Forgiving you is the last thing on my mind. When they ask me if I'm alright, I smile, but I hate you, and I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. It takes so long for you to know, say you never want me. Although you tell me, some me a wifey, but you're in it. See, they know you're in it. I know me can't stand to see your face. All of the years from my waist, your hands, runaways, the kisses, the embrace, you're in it. See, they know you're in it, in it. I know my wife, baby.